Hi, welcome back to the channel. Okay, a little different scene right now from my other videos. Today, I just installed my Night Owl camera system. Okay, so I was gonna make this whole big production out of it. I was gonna show you how I do this. I was gonna string the line and take you guys along with me. But I'm not very handy, and well, I'm okay at this stuff, but it just really, it takes a long time for me. So I didn't want to put you guys through that torture of me trying to screw in a screw to hang the deal, the camera. So I just ran all the wires, and you can see the wires are right here. And then they go through this wall or up to the ceiling, and then they disperse out on my floor, and I'll show you where the cameras are. But here's my camera system. I have 3 right here. I do have 1 more, and I want you guys to comment down below, where should I put this? Let's see if I can bring you guys a bit closer, and if you guys get a good look at this. So here's the outside of my my studio, and I have 6, well actually 9, 9 places I could stick cameras in. My place isn't that big, so I don't think I need it, but this one I have the front door, my front desk right there, part of the floor, all my equipment, this little blind spot right in the corner here where the other cameras aren't going to see it. So in case some kids are, you know, messing around or whatever. And then I have most of my parents seating right there, so I can see everything that's going on there. Then I got one from the other end over on that end, I'll show you, towards the mirrors that are kind of facing these 2 cameras here, okay? And then I do have this one here, this camera here that I haven't hooked up yet. I don't know if I want it in my office because being a martial arts instructor, I've gotten yelled at a lot by parents. Why didn't my kid pass the testing? Why did my kid not get a trophy or something during the tournament? And then just flat out just, you know, rip my butt for no reason at all. But just that they, you know, just didn't like the deal, or their kids just complained about it, and parents get all emotional. So I wanted to stick a camera in my office, but I don't know if that would be, if it is, then yeah, tell me down below where I should stick that camera. I was kind of gonna put one right up in this corner here. Oh, let me find the, so this corner right here is gonna aim it towards the door, so I can get like a really good like facial recognition on, like, you know, someone's actual face, in case, you know, whatever it might be. So I might put one right there. I can buy other camera systems as well. I can buy different cameras. I had 2 at the house because my house used to be an old horse boarding, and they had cameras all over, but the 2 that I brought over didn't work, so I had to trash those. But here's where my cameras are. Okay, so let's go see the first one. Okay, so the first one is right there. So right here, right above this, this is a motion detector that is hooked up by the door, and an alarm system there. So I put it right above that, and I strung the line straight across, probably where that American flag is right there, and I just strung it all the way across there. And then if you see one over here, the second one I strung is right here, right up in this corner here. Yeah, you can see it right there. That's my second one, and that's pointing towards the door and my my front desk. And then I have one right there that is pointing towards these 2 cameras that are one here and one here. But I got one more. But here again, I have this whole back room too that if you look right behind me here, I got like a pony wall that that I could stick a camera right here, or I could stick a camera right on that end. But I don't want one like pointed to the bathroom, just because that's, you know, inappropriate and I don't want to do that. But I don't know if I should put one at least like right here, facing this direction, or like right through the door. So if someone does pass through this way into my office, you know, I don't see them doing it, whatever. Or, you know, someone kind of messing around back here. There's nothing to really mess around with back here, so I don't know if I need a camera back there. But the next sensible thing I would think of is just in my office, just so I can protect myself, and then others that, you know, if we do need a sit down and talk, we can, you know, at least have something on video, if anyone needs to, you know, refer back to something or whatever. So I might put one in the office, that last one, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, that's my camera system. These suck. I don't like doing this. It's hard on my body, even though it doesn't seem hard. I'm just old, and my body just doesn't want to do things very simple anymore. And so just trying to, you know, climb the ladder, you know, throw these ceiling tiles around, you know, throw a line through. It's just a lot of work that is, it's hard for me, and other people are probably just laughing at me thinking, you know, that's easy. You know, not for me. So that's just kind of what I do. But yeah, so that's pretty much the camera system. And the camera is called Night Owl. It is an old brand. My cousin was making fun of me because it's like, oh, the Costco special. I was like, I bought it at Walmart. I didn't know that Costco had those. But anyways, it works, and it works really good, and it does save some turmoil on a lot of stuff. With my old school, it saved a lot of questioning, because I actually can look back and see what went on, and it helped out quite a bit. So other than that, guys, that's all I got for this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Share it if you think someone needs to see it or whatever. But yeah, real easy setup for the most part. It's just, you know, pretty much plug and play, screw in a couple things so the cameras can hang there. But other than that, yeah, pretty simple. So till next time, go and trade hard, train smart, and I'll see you then.